Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and today I am so excited because my Sephora order came in today, and this is from their recent spring VIB sale where I got 15% off of my entire purchase, which I always love to stock up on my products in the fall and the spring when they do these sales. I get a lot of restocks on things that I use up, and I also get to try new makeup that typically would not be on sale, again, is on sale. So I'm so excited. Yesterday I posted my Ulta spring haul, so if you did not get a chance to see that, I'm going to link it right here. And I was so impressed. The shipping times have really picked up for both Ulta and Sephora. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the spring haul from Sephora. So the first thing I see in my box is this Moroccan dry shampoo dark tones from Moroccan Oil. You guys, this is my favorite dry shampoo of all time. Not only does it smell amazing, but it dries up the oil in your hair, making your hair last quite a long time before you need to wash. The scent has a very beachy vibe to it. I've gotten compliments when I've worn this. It is just my all-time favorite, and it is not cheap. So when I purchase this, I always purchase this during the sale. This is definitely one of my restocks. Next up, guys, I have been running low on my makeup wipes, and I always like to try a couple of the different scents that Sephora has. So this is their Aloe Vera cleansing wipes, and again, they are can be a little bit pricier than your drugstore ones, but they are pretty nice. I have enjoyed the coconut ones over the years. I have never tried the aloe version, so I'm so excited to try this. This one is supposed to be a very hydrating and moisturizing makeup remover, which is my favorite. I really like to feel nice when it's kind of taking my makeup off, that it's leaving a nice hydration and not not the towelette being too dry when it's going across my face. So I have high hopes. There's 25 wipes in this little pack, and I'm excited to just give it a whirl. Guys, next up, I'm so excited. This is a brand new lotion scent from Sol de Janeiro, which is one of my favorite companies. You guys, if you have not tried some of their products, whether it's the sprays, the body creams, the body gels, the shower gels, it is amazing. And the lip balm, oh my gosh, one of my favorites of all time. This is a new scent called Balm de Bright Cream, and this is a retexturizing body cream that is supposed to nourish as it reveals healthier, smoother, and brighter skin. So I'm really excited about this one. Let's see what it smells like. I have not even had the opportunity to smell it. It comes with a nice little top on it so that you can easily just pop it to kind of keep the product inside. And as you can see, it looks nice and creamy. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells very fruity, creamy, very light. Oh my gosh, let's go ahead and get some on. Oh my goodness. You just can't go wrong with these scents. Every one they come out with is super good. I love the one in the yellow tub. I love the one in the blue tub. And the quality of their ingredients is just unparalleled. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. This is such a unique scent. Again, like I've never had anything quite like it. Again, it's like a fruity floral. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm so glad I bought that, you guys. These are totally worth it. They are expensive, like I said, but this is the best time, you know, to take the time to purchase it during these sales because you can get them for a really good deal. All right, guys, next up, I purchased quite a few products from the Tarte line. They've got a jelly glazed lip mask, they've got a C boosting spray, and they've also got a surfer curl mascara. So this is just the miniature kit. You guys know I love mini makeup, so I'm really excited to try these products out soon in a get ready with me video. Again, I've not really been buying a lot of Tarte lately, and Tarte is one of my favorite products or favorite companies to buy from. And again, they do really nice packaging on this kind of stuff. I'll go ahead and pull it out so you guys can see. We can go ahead and take a look at some of the products as well. I'm actually curious. Let's see. So this is a 4-in-1 refreshing mist, this little tiny guy here. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop the top and spray just to see. It smells, it does have like a sea kind of smell to it. Definitely comes out very strong, and my face is definitely feeling a little refreshed, a little glowy right now. I typically would be using this as a prep spray and not really like a refresher spray, but it's a 4-in-1, so you pretty much can use this, I believe, at any time, whether it's before or after your makeup. And again, the Surfer Curl Mascara and the Jelly Glaze. This is a strawberry scented lip jelly. So I'm excited to try these out. Again, cute new products. I love the packaging. I love the mint green. Really excited about that. And then one more from the Tarte C line is this Hydro Concealer. And this is the mini version. This is in the Fair Light shade. And I'm just curious about this. You know, I really love the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. And again, this is in 14B Fair Light, or Fair Beige, Fair Light Beige. What a mouthful. It's really tiny. This was, I believe, like 10 bucks. I just want to kind of see what the consistency of this is and show you guys a little swatch. So that's what it looks like, this one here. And then I'm just going to kind of blend in. It does seem to be pretty creamy. Seems to blend out nicely. And I don't know, I think it's going to be a lighter coverage than the Shape Tape. I don't think it's going to replace it, but I was just curious about it. Again, I love the packaging, kind of cool, and I'll definitely do a video with all of those products. All right, guys, next up, this is one from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I have been wanting to try this for so long, and a sad story, I actually got this as a free perk one time in my Sephora order, and then I think I accidentally threw it out with the packaging because I could not find it. And this is a $20 pot, and this is the miniature pot. But again, I got it on sale for VIB. I have just heard a lot of people say really good things about how like nourishing and moisturizing this is. It's a great primer before you do your makeup. Jeffree Star used to always rave about this product. And again, it's just supposed to kind of have a nice consistency. A lot of people talk about it. It also has a little like lid on it to keep it nice and creamy. It does have a little bit of a scent, kind of like slightly perfumey. But I'm excited to try that again. Something soon I will be trying in an upcoming video, but I am excited about it and very mad at myself for throwing that out in one of my orders. Oh guys, another Tarte product I forgot to talk about. This is the Tarte Knockout Brightening Gel Moisturizer. And again, I just love this little packaging. All of these are minis. Again, I'm just trying to test these out because I don't know how they're gonna do. I do wanna just kind of take a look at this and see what it smells like. Again, they're really doing very nice pot tops on these. Ooh, this looks really, really pretty. Take a look at that. It has a nice light green gel kind of consistency. And I am just going to take a little bit and dab that on. Yeah, it just sinks in like water. I love gel moisturizers. It doesn't really have a scent. So that's kind of nice. It's just a very basic gel moisturizer, but again, something to try out and play with. Tarte has a lot of new products, I feel like, and I just want to catch up and see, you know, what I like, because I used to love purchasing from Tarte. Alright guys, another repurchase product. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I am almost out of this. I had bought it, I want to say around this time last year, and I've used it very, very sparingly, but I love this product. I really think Glow Recipe has some really high quality ingredients. This is what the package looks like. I do believe this is a smaller version, and it is a pop top. You just pull it off and you can easily pump it out. How I use this is basically at the end of the day after my shower, I just pump a little bit on my hands and I massage this into my face after I've washed off. And it just gives you a nice, feels very luxurious at the end of the day. It gives you a nice feeling. It's very cooling to the touch. And it just makes your skin feel very refreshed, and it has a lovely pink light watermelon scent. Nothing overpowering, but just super nice and super fun. And again, this is a first repurchase for me for the pink watermelon juice. Alrighty guys, next up, this is one of the most highest reviewed masks on Sephora. This is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask with vitamin C, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. And it's from the company Youth to the People. This again is another miniature product. I always like to try smaller sample sizes because you just don't know what's gonna work out and what's not. But I've heard so many people rave about this mask. The reviews are just really, really good. It has a slight scent to it, but nothing crazy, and it's this fun yellow color, so I can't wait to try this out in an upcoming mask review. Alrighty guys, next up, another little mini makeup set. These are my favorites to try. This is a great way to try a lot of products and still keep under budget. This one is the Bold Bronze and Major Mascara. They're both travel size, and I have always wanted to try this Coconut Perfect Tan-tastic bronze. Everybody always tells me this bronzer is one of their favorites. I certainly have mine, but I thought this was such a cute mini, little tiny packaging. Like, how adorable is that, you guys? It's so cute. Just perfect to try out. Has this little tiny clasp, and then you just, I believe, let's see if this is gonna go well. Oh, it stays down, just kidding. And it even has a mirror. I think you have to just take this little sticker out. It does have a little bit of a scent. Ooh, it is super, super soft. Oh my gosh, let me give you guys a swatch. Oh, wow. You know what? This looks like a perfect shade. It's not too warm. It's a very cool toned bronzer, which is what I kind of need for my light pale skin tone. Oh my gosh, you guys. And again, this is the Tan-tastic Coconut Perfect Tan Omega Bronzer, and it's so cute. Alrighty, next up we have the Marc Jacobs mascara, and again, this is just their Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I don't really know that much about this product, to be honest with you, but I am excited to try it. I haven't really tried a bunch of mascaras lately, so now I've got this one, I've got the Tarte one to try. I feel like I'm gonna be set to test out a few ones soon. Alright guys, we have another repurchase. This is one of those holy grail primers. It is a very putty silicone type primer from Benefit. They give you two. To me, this is the best set to purchase because it gives you a full size of the Porefessional, which is the green version, and then it gives you a miniature size of the Hydrating Porefessional, and it's only $32, and again, the value is $45, so you are saving a lot when you buy it in these sets. And again, I'll take it out so you can kind of see the sizing. But these are the large tube and the mini tube next to each other. This is my Holy Grail favorite, the original. And then this little blue one I like. It is slightly more hydrating, but this one's still pretty nice too. So I use both of these, highly recommend them. I have purchased this multiple times. You cannot go wrong if you are looking to pore fill and get a nice smooth canvas before you put your foundation on. This is a game changer for my makeup, and I use it every single day. Alrighty guys, last but not least, this comes in a very cool packaging. This is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner. Now, I haven't had a ton of dark spots on my face, but I do have one that just won't go away, and this is the mini version of this product, and I am going to be testing it out to see if this does help get rid of some of my dark red spots that just seem very difficult to get rid of on my face. Again, it's a dark spot toner, so you can spot use this. I've heard a lot of people talk about it, saying that it's really transformative product. Ole Henriksen has a lot of good products, but this is the first one that I've actually really purchased and wanted to really dedicate some time to trying to spot on my face to get some of that red off. So we'll see. I'm not sure about this. Sometimes I feel like it's really hard to remove red spots, but we're gonna try. Alrighty guys, I think that's it. We went through that super fast. I tried to get, again, stuff that I knew I was going to use, stuff I wanted to just try out for fun. A lot of that miniature makeup is always fun for me to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul from my Sephora VIB spring sale. Again, check out the Ulta one if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I will chat with you in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye!